Hello everyone and welcome to DDC News. And is the Dalek mod on the server? No, we've added a plugin more player models, which means if you have the more players models mod and the Dalek mod, you can see you can disguise as Daleks, but if you don't have the Dalek mod installed, you can still join the server. Now, a bunch has happened. Well, actually a lot. It started with Wildern wanting to buy blaze rods, and now Whoville is at war, and the ZODIN with an army of aliens is trying to kill us all. That's the general, he's busy now. He's from UNIT, by the way. He handed out guns to everyone, and well, we also have a party because it's my birthday.
Holy Mary.
I'm just running out of
Henry, no!
Oh, that's the ZODIN over there. Fireball nose.
Yeah, sounds a bit like the ZODIN to me.
He's somewhere over there, I can't actually see.
I'm
I'm shooting in that direction.
Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm recording this a few days later because something bad happened. There has been a huge war in the town. Like, well, it was so bad we traveled to future Whoville with the ship, and as you can see, well, people who've seen previous future Whoville, we've repaired it a lot. Like, these buildings are complete. There is still a big hole in the ground here, you can ignore that. Lava walls are gone. We are repairing the old town so people can live here. Apart from Henrik's house, that's just blown to shit. So what basically happened after I recorded in the DDC what you just, well, saw, the ZODIN attacked. The walls of the DDC exploded near the haunted house. The wall also completely exploded, and they advanced into town, building portals everywhere, so more and more aliens spawned. Most players were able to hold them back at Fort Survival, but that fell too. They went to Nexus, that blew up too. After a while, Pip, one of the leaders from Torchwood, killed the ZODIN, but the aliens kept attacking. And near the spawn we have a gas station for, well, the cars to tank and all. No, wait, that's not an English verb, is it? Ugh, never mind. Well, the gas station, or the petrol station, exploded, which caused there to be a huge crater at the spawn, so people were no longer able to join our old town. So yeah, we broke open spawn, I'll show that spawn. And build a very bad bridge over to the ship, and then we traveled, well, yeah, like you know, to the Whoville we were back at a year ago, and we will stay there for eternity because it's completely safe there. People are allowed to build here and break stuff, even in the town, but as long as it's well, pretty. I mean, you're not supposed to mine houses for bricks, but you can just make them into your own house. For example, Silly Gizmo took his old house and someone stole Tardim's Travel's house, and Gitso fixed some of the roads like he just said. Good work. I'm gonna hit you. And now we're staying at this town, so yay, fun. Unless of course something happens. That would be a shame, right?
'Cause when the war is over,